This came out of nowhere, guys. Yeah, I'm in my basement.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska, Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, Saline County in southeastern Nebraska, southern Butler County, western Saunders County, western East County in southeastern Nebraska until 3:30 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ortville to 4 miles northwest of Degler, moving northeast at 85 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
But it's not that loud.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Friend, Dorchester, Crete, Milford, Pleasantdale, and northwestern Lincoln. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 395. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south.
Oh, it's damn kitty. Just let me tap, by the way. Sorry.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across south-central Nebraska. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern and east-central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Gage, Jefferson, Lancaster, Saline, Saunders, and Seward.
NOAA hazards. Yeah, that came out of nowhere.